Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video about imports. I'm super excited about this big package that I want to unbox with you guys. Yani, I'm just so happy, and I'm so happy that using our WhatsApp group, we're able to make such bulk orders and people are able to get a good pricing. So I know the questions I'm gonna get from most of you, maybe who are wanting to import, maybe they wonder how much did it cost me to bring in this package. So this package is about 0.16 cbm, so that one I paid for it like 9,473. So technically for it to be delivered till my place, let's say 10,000. Yeah, so guys, the shipping agent I'm using right now, they do have a minimum of 0.1 cbm. So most people are always asking, how can you be able to maximize on the cost? Yeah? How can you be able to ensure you are able to bring in things and have the cheapest of rates? Yeah, so the advice I can tell you is ensure, first of all, you are able to order in bulk and bring them via sea. That is the solution, guys. That's the solution. And then ensure you have a shipping agent who gives you a good minimum. Can you imagine right now, if you are able to bring in with a minimum of 0.1 cbm, and trust you guys, for you to fill in a 0.1 cbm, that's a huge package. You're only required to pay 5,800. How good is that? How good is that? Yeah, I know this is a good offer because I've dealt with companies before who are giving 0.2 cbm as the minimum. That was like 12,000, and I believe that's a rip-off because, yeah, if you pay that and even your goods have maybe not even gotten to 0.1 something cbm surely, and you're paying a minimum of 0.2, yeah, so this is a deal. So as I told you, if you want this shipping agent that I'm using right now, please hit my inbox. My number is in the description below and I'm gonna assist you. So guys, let's unbox together. So guys, these are the 3-in-1 water bottles, as you can see. Oh wow, this black is so nice. They're the motivational water bottles. Look at that black. That's another one. And then that's another one, yeah. And then each of them has a straw. As you can see. Then it comes with a straw. It comes with stickers. It comes with all this, yeah. So when you get it, you just fix it for yourself, yeah. And it's such a good quality, yeah. Let me show you the colors.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
We have different colors, as you can see. Yeah, they're so cute. These are called the 3-in-1 motivational water bottles, yeah. So you see, 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m., like that, yeah, till 9 p.m. This time this cover that they have used on the wrapper bags is not the thick type like the one they had used last time. So guys, there are so many over here. There's so many over here. Yeah, so I'm supposed to pack these orders. Yeah. So guys, I hope you've seen the things that you have brought in. These are called the 3-in-1 water bottles. They're quite trendy right now. These are some of the things that when I post in the group, they go like fire. People make pre-orders, yeah. Can you imagine, guys, the people who had made pre-orders, they got the 3-in-1, yeah, the 3 of them at 900 bob, and these things are being sold for here at 1500 bob, guys, yeah. Can you imagine? So that's why you need to join our WhatsApp group so that you can enjoy this discount, yeah, because in the WhatsApp group I post prices at the wholesale price, like the importing price, you guys, yeah. So make sure you join our WhatsApp group. I'm going to link the WhatsApp group down below, guys, yeah. And of course I have extras, but unfortunately the extras I sell them at the retail price, yeah. So that this is to help discourage people who are in the group. They just wait, people pre-order, and then when things get here they all want them, yeah, because people always know in my inbox, I want, do you have extras, yeah. So please ensure when you join our group you take advantage of the pre-orders and you buy when people are making the pre-orders. So guys, if you're interested to know how to import from Alibaba, how to ship in from China, please do hit me up. I normally do consultations as you have seen. So let's grow together. If your 2024 resolution is to start that business, please come, let's do this together, and I'm gonna guide you. And I'm super grateful, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, guys, we're on the road to 3K subscribers, yeah. We are just this close to 3,000 subscribers. So guys, please make sure you join us, join this team, and until the next one, bye.